Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI chatbot on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and then I'm going to click on this plus icon here. Alright, and here you can select chat with AIs. Alright, and then here we'll be able to create and talks to AIs. You can read the description here, and then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and it will open the AI studio. These are the AIs that the other people have created, and you will be able to join the AI if you want. For example, I'm going to select this human psychology AI. And if you want to start chatting with the AI, you can click on start chatting. All right. And this is the AI chatbot. And then if you want to create your own AI, you're going to click on this plus icon right here on the top right. And then you can describe about your AI. What does your AI do and what makes it unique? I'm going to create, for example, someone to talk. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay guys, and hold on. Okay, and here we need to complete this information. For example, I'm going to choose emotional support friend, helper, and for this one I'm just going to make it confident. Okay, and we can also add our own description, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and just hold on guys, it's still loading. All right, and then this is the avatar for my AI, and you can create the new one if you want. You can click on create new here, but I'm just going to use this one and click on next. Okay, and for the AI, I'm going to name it soulmate buddy. Okay, and click on next, and I'm going to select this introduction, click on next, and click on create. Okay, now the AI is being created guys. Okay, done. Now the AI chatbot has been created and we will be able to chat with this AI. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI chatbot on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.